Over 60 and noticing your strength isn't what it used to be? You might think you're eating all the right foods, lean meats, veggies, maybe even protein shakes. But there's a delicious secret many seniors overlook: cheese. Yes, cheese. It's not just a treat. It can actually help fight sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that slowly saps strength, mobility, and independence. Certain cheeses deliver high-quality protein, essential minerals, and compounds supporting muscles and bones. Science shows that older adults who include nutrient-dense dairy in their diets maintain more muscle mass, recover faster, and enjoy better joint health than those who don't. In this video, I will introduce 3 simple, affordable, and scientifically proven cheeses to protect your muscles. I'll also show you when and how to eat them for the best results, so you can stay strong, energized, and independent without complicated supplements or expensive powders. Let's start with a quiet powerhouse in your fridge: cottage cheese. Often overlooked, this humble dairy food is a muscle-building hero for anyone over 60. The reason? It's packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that steadily releases amino acids into your bloodstream for 6 to 8 hours. Imagine your muscles receiving a gentle, continuous fuel supply while you sleep, like an overnight recovery drip. Most proteins from meat, eggs, or even some shakes digest within 2 or 3 hours, leaving your muscles waiting and vulnerable. Cottage cheese keeps them nourished, helping to counteract sarcopenia, the natural breakdown of muscle tissue that accelerates with age. But cottage cheese offers more than just protein. It's rich in calcium, strengthens bones and reduces fracture risk, and is loaded with B vitamins, which help your body turn food into energy. Selenium in cottage cheese fights inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major culprits behind stiff joints and achy muscles. And it contains tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and deeper sleep, leaving you refreshed and energized in the morning. The best part? Cottage cheese is straightforward to enjoy. No cooking, no cleanup. Open a container and scoop a serving. You can eat it plain or get creative. Add blueberries or strawberries for antioxidants, chia seeds for fiber and omega-3s, or a pinch of cinnamon to support blood sugar balance. Prefer savory? Top it with chopped tomatoes, cracked black pepper, or avocado slices. Its versatility makes it easy to include in breakfasts, snacks, or even a light evening meal. Scientific studies from Harvard Health and the Mayo Clinic support dairy as a convenient and effective protein source for seniors. Cottage cheese, in particular, combines slow-release protein with essential nutrients that help preserve muscle, fortify bones, and improve overall recovery. For anyone over 60, incorporating a small serving of cottage cheese into your daily routine is like giving your body a gentle, reliable prescription for stronger muscles, better sleep, and more energy every night. Next up is a cheese that often flies under the radar: Parmesan. This hard, aged cheese isn't just a flavorful topping for pasta or salads. It's a concentrated source of high-quality protein, ideal for supporting muscle and bone health after 60. 1 ounce delivers around 10 grams of protein, making it a small but mighty addition to your diet. Unlike many softer cheeses, Parmesan is very low in lactose, so it's easier on sensitive stomachs, which is especially helpful for older adults who may struggle with digestion. But the benefits go beyond protein. Parmesan is packed with calcium and phosphorus, a mineral duo that strengthens bones and helps maintain skeletal flexibility. Maintaining bone strength is critical as we age because declining bone density increases the risk of fractures and falls. Adding Parmesan to meals is a simple way to support your muscles and skeleton. Another advantage is its flavor density. A small amount delivers bold, satisfying taste because it's aged and naturally low in moisture. You don't need large portions to reap the benefits, which makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Sprinkle it over steamed vegetables, toss it into scrambled eggs, or add a few shavings to soups or salads. Each serving enhances flavor and quietly delivers nutrients that support strength, mobility, and overall health. Another reason Parmesan is so valuable: sarcopenia isn't just about muscle loss. It affects your ability to perform everyday activities like lifting groceries, climbing stairs, or standing up from a chair. You stack up cumulative benefits over time by making small, wise choices like adding Parmesan to your meals. These little nutritional boosts can make the difference between feeling stiff and tired, or staying independent, energetic, and confident in your movements. Parmesan may seem like a garnish, but it's a quiet powerhouse. With each sprinkle, you're giving your body protein, bone-strengthening minerals, and delicious flavor, all in one simple, easy-to-use food. Small choices like this can have a lasting impact on your health and independence. Finally, let's talk about a creamy underdog that deserves more attention: ricotta. This soft, slightly sweet cheese isn't just tasty, it's a powerful ally for preserving muscle and supporting overall health after 60. Ricotta is special because it's made from whey, the same high-quality protein found in many muscle-building shakes, but in its natural, whole food form. That means your body recognizes it easily and puts it to work immediately. Whey protein is fast digesting, so ricotta delivers a quick supply of amino acids to your muscles. This makes it ideal after any physical activity, whether a brisk walk, gardening, stretching, or light resistance exercises. Even if you haven't started a formal exercise routine yet, adding ricotta to your meals provides essential nutrients that help prevent further muscle breakdown, keeping your body strong and resilient. Ricotta also offers calcium, which keeps bones strong, and vitamin A, which supports immune function and tissue repair, nutrients that older adults often need more as appetite and digestion change. On top of that, its soft texture is gentle on the digestive system, easy to chew, and perfect for seniors with dental concerns. The versatility of ricotta makes it simple to include in daily meals. Spread it on whole grain toast, mix it with berries for a lightly sweet snack, fold it into scrambled eggs or cooked oats, or even blend it into smoothies for a creamy boost. Just a few spoonfuls provide concentrated nutrition without making you feel overly full. Adding ricotta into your diet gives your muscles a fast-acting recovery tool, your bones a calcium boost, and your body easy-to-digest protein, all in one simple, delicious food. It's a practical, enjoyable way to nourish your body and protect your strength, energy, and independence day after day. So how do you use these 3 cheeses every day? Think of it as a simple, muscle-protecting routine. Cottage cheese for overnight recovery, Parmesan to boost bone strength and daily protein, and ricotta for fast post-activity muscle support. Small, innovative meal additions stack up over time, helping you stay strong, mobile, and independent. Even a few spoonfuls or a light sprinkle can make a real difference. No powders, no pills, just real, nourishing food. Whole food cheeses deliver nutrients your body absorbs naturally, unlike isolated powders. They're easier to digest, more enjoyable, and cost far less. Real cheese provides protein, calcium, and vitamins, supporting muscles, bones, and overall health, making it a simple, effective, and tasty alternative to expensive supplements. Your muscles and bones don't have to give in to age. Cottage cheese, Parmesan, and ricotta are simple foods supporting strength, mobility, and independence. Start adding them to your meals today. Small, consistent choices can make a big difference. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more science-backed tips to stay healthy after 60.